Hi everybody, it's Quail Mama. It is January 24th and it is about 29 degrees out here today. We started out at 16, so that's warmed up considerably. This upper country tells me they were 3 degrees this morning and they have about 3 feet of snow where they are now. And I'm happy with my little inch or two that's left in places. Oh, that was cute. Grab and go. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh, almost dropped the phone. Anyway, it's lunchtime. Just had to come bring the little bird some water because it's been so cold. It's not even above freezing today. But nobody's too interested in the water, so that's good. More interested in their lettuce and their seeds. Somebody's getting into the grit over there, pecking away. Oh, and I am vertical instead of landscape, darn it. So, I think I am going to just let this one go for today. Actually, I need to get in there and find some lunch, so maybe we will come check them out a little later. So everybody have yourself a great day. It's sunny and bright here. It needs to warm up, but at least it's sunny and bright. So thanks everybody for watching. Thank you for all the likes and comments and for all the subscribers. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It really helps our little channel grow. We appreciate you all. Thanks so much. Bye for now.